room that I'm building, my YouTube room. And I think it's coming along good so far, about halfway done. Let me know in the comments if you like my little backdrop I did. I think it's pretty cool. The main part of this video, got a newest Neobot Nomo, the Q11 they sent me. Thank you very much for sending me this for a review. This is pretty exciting. I think this is going to be one heck of a robot vacuum with self-empty bin. So I'm really excited to check this guy out. I haven't taken the stuff out of the box yet, but the design looks really cool. Reminds me of the Narwhal, and I'm excited for this guy. I think it's going to be a really, really good robot. So let's go ahead and check it out. Neobot on the top, with a card with a quick start on the back. Pretty much just like any quick start guide. You know, take everything out, plug it in, start the Wi-Fi, download the app, and then you get to cleaning. So, pretty cool little card there. On top here you have the main power cord. This is a nice thick power cord. That might be a good sign that maybe this is a lot of suction in that automatic dirt bin. So I'm really looking forward to testing this guy out. I think it's going to be a really good idea. Some protection. Let's go ahead and start with the accessories, looks like. As you can see, you get a user's guide. I'll go through that later if need be. Looks like 2 side brushes. I believe you only put one on this guy, so it's going to be an extra one. It's always good to have. Here is another filter. Always good to have a replacement filter. And then it looks like there's 2 washable mop pads. And this is the part that clicks under the machine, under the water tank. And your mopping pad will attach to this. And then Velcro holds on the rest of it. Just like that, you're going to be ready to mop. That is all that's in the accessory box. Let's do the self-empty bin first, because it's really cool looking. And I think smart design for what they did. Like I said, this will remind all of you of the Narwhal. So as you can see now, this has a home, or a garage if you will, that it drives into. Here's one of the self-emptying bags. Some protection. Very cool. And this lid flips up, or pops off I should say. And there's already a bag inside of it. So it's cool that they give you 2 bags. And there's even a little clear plexiglass there so you can see if it's clogged. Some rubber at the bottom so it won't slide around. And yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's an awesome design. Pretty darn excited to try this guy out. The little filter ring that clicks it down here in the bottom. Here's the bag you get. You can see it's quite large. Gonna hold lots of debris before you have to empty it. And then this lid has like a silicone seal around it. So when you set it on, and then the suction power will actually pull it down and make a complete seal, which is nice. Alright, here's the main vacuum. I like the white, once again, just like the Narwhal. Has some protection bumpers, they came off, but let's just go right in there. Just protect it for shipping. Alright guys, so this says front-facing LIDAR, which as most of you know, almost every other LIDAR-based robot vacuum has a dome on the top. And that has a spinning LIDAR that scans the room. This one has it up in front built in, which makes it a little bit thinner. So this should be able to fit underneath your couches and chair legs or anything like that, whereas sometimes the dome will get in the way and it won't actually fit underneath your couch. The Nomo, the one I tested before, would not fit under my couch, but I'm pretty sure this one will. As you can see, it still has a front bumper like all robot vacuums. Very cool. Here's the top view. Let's go ahead and check out the tank. So this is a tank and dustbin combo. And it does look like a pretty small dirt bin overall. But with it being self-empty, you don't really have to worry about that too much. There was one complaint about the Nomo, was the self-empty bin was not the greatest. So I think that's why they did this redesign, and hopefully this guy can get all the debris out. So to me, this dirt flap does look a little bit larger than the Nomo, and therefore it's going to have more debris be able to fit through it and not get clogged. So I'm sure they definitely thought of all that when they redesigned this. And I think it's pretty cool for the ones that have the tank and the dirt bin in one. That way you don't have to go fill the water tank, swap them out, and all that good stuff. The only thing you got to do with this one is click it down underneath it, like so, and that'll all go in. Here's the bottom of it. Let's go ahead and add the one side brush. Very simple, literally just push it on. Good to go. Standard style brush roll has the brushes and then also the silicone. Alright guys, so what do you think? Is this going to be the next robot vacuum that I recommend? I kind of hope so. I do love the design. Like I keep saying, it's just like the Narwhal, which I really can appreciate. Something totally different than just the little boring dock that robot vacuums sit on. Alright guys, so that was just a quick unboxing. I'm going to be testing this out over the next month, and I'll have a full review telling you if I recommend it. I'm going to be testing it in my testing room. I'm going to be doing the obstacle avoidance with the different items, pickup test, mapping abilities, how easy it is to select rooms and no-go zones, how good the app is, all that good stuff. So looking forward to testing this out. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to checking out my review. If you're new, please do me a favor, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and leave a comment below. I'd really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.